Okay, so we've got our thread done on our cross feed screw. As you can see, the nut spins right along pretty good. There's one little tiny tight spot up here, but it still goes over it okay. And better a little tight than a little loose. And we got a little rock on the nut there, but well, you need a little bit just for clearance. But end play, I'm thinking you'd have to put a tenths indicator on there to feel anything. If we got a thousandth of an inch, I'd be surprised. And we'll show you the cutter that we used here. Just give it a little blow. Most of our cuts were done about 2,000. Seemed to work pretty good, and every second it was kind of like a cut and a spring cut. But anyways, that's our cutter, 7/16 high-speed steel, and we cut a relief on the bottom of it, and we cut a little bit of side relief so that we could get into the angle good on the tooth, and weren't going to get any rub down below. If you're working with a really thin tool bit, really small cross section, then that's not as critical. But on something like this, I wanted to make sure I had lots, and that's why I ground out underneath. So anyways, that's it for this one.